Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new, fresh 2020 Eclipse Attitude. This is the 2814 GS, the Camp Razor Edition. We have this one is a special edition from the Camp Razor down in Glamis. Come on inside. We come on inside. This has got the nice peninsula island here. The white solid surface countertop with the breathe interior. I believe it's this one. Gray graphics. Has got a couple of extra additions. Got the big gen, second AC, double slide outs. The new colors in the cabinetry. The stainless steel package with the big microwave, oven, cooktop, pull-out pantry. Big refrigerator, freezer, counter space or drawer space and cupboards down below here. Overhead cabinetry, the couch here. Notice the Camp Razor Razor Edition monograms there in the furniture. The double bunk, and then by day makes the opposing dinette facing each other back here. This one does have the rear patio. Another 8-foot deck out the back. LED lights, USB plug-in, one 12-volt plug-in here for the bunk area. Nice, very comfortable rocker, swivel chairs here that can go out on the patio or outside underneath the awning. You got the separate table here. There is, by the way, two separate tables that go at the dinette here. We can use one or two or none, as well as one table that's going to go in front of the couch here as well. So plenty of table area, plenty of seating area, plenty of storage area in this one. It's kind of the all-in-one package. Nice, plenty of cabinetry. Nice LED lighting, backlit and throughout. It's got the side aisle into the bathroom and the bedroom. We got more cupboards on the way. This one's going to have the new 100 amp lithium battery along with the 210 watt solar that's standard on the 2020 model. Inside the bathroom is a pass-through into the bedroom with the lavy area, porcelain toilet, nice glass shower enclosure. Notice the new colors in the wall in this one as well. Pass through into the bedroom. With the wardrobe slide out. Full walk around queen bed here. Storage on both sides. Up lid above here. Storage pockets inside. USB and 12-volt plug-in on this side. 110 plug-ins on that side. Storage underneath the bed. Second air conditioner in the bedroom. Out the hallway here. Nice cleanup area here for the control center. All of our switches, lights, awning, exterior lighting and tank monitors all in one place. It's got the Jensen CD, DVD, MP3, everything in one stereo system with the great big TV here. This has got the big power awning. You'll notice that it does have the official toy hauler of Polaris Razor, the Camp Razor Edition right here. 16-inch Gladiator heavy-duty wheel and tire. Attitude's own one-off wheels there for the Attitude products. Exterior speaker system, exterior spotlighting. Got the 8-foot patio deck out the back end or ramp with the new rear airfoil on the back end with the loading lights. Spare tire drops down the back, so real easy to access in case I need to use it. Hopefully you don't have to. Cable plug-in on the back for coach cable. The 12-volt pump station, fueling station, on-off switch for the pump station, 50 amp cord, fresh water and city water connections here. This is all a full fiberglass wall, aluminum frame, block foamed wall system, vacuum bonded floor system. They use outriggers underneath here to help support the wall structure rather than just pinching it between a roof and a floor like most everybody else. Big slide here, metal fender wells. You didn't see it bounce back and forth like a lot of them do. They got Zerk fittings on the shackles so you can keep it greased yourself and maintain it yourself real easy. Exterior shower area. Your low point drains and drain tanks right easy to get to, as well as having a spotlight above for the nighttime activity. Big water heater. This one has the big propane, or the big gas fed 5,000 watt generator. Excuse me, the Onan 5500. 50 amp cord double air conditioner. Nice new one-piece end cap. Got the new LED lights on the front end, battery disconnect switch up on the A-frame, and the new lithium battery up front on the hitch here. There is room, if we really wanted to add some battery power, we could add another battery on the front of that too, as well as, and have 200 amps of lithium battery power. Power tongue jack, propane tank cover, large 7-gallon propane tanks here on the tongue, as well as the underneath storage here. That about wraps it up here with this Attitude that just came in. I just wanted to get it out there because there's only a few of these available if you want to get in one of those Camp RZR Edition packages. Make sure you call me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. I've been around here for about 15 years. I've been selling the Eclipse product for several years. I really enjoy doing it, so if you want that great deal on this trailer, make sure you contact me. My number is direct is 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.